Hello, folks. Welcome to AJ's Insights again. Today, I've got another interesting topic for discussion, or should I say, for an insightful session. As you can see on the screen, ACCA versus CA, which one is better and which one is tougher is something that we have to understand. Now, when it comes to ACCA, it's a professional body. It's a global body when compared to CA. CA is more from an Indian context, I would say. So we'll try to understand more insights about both of these certifications. Both of them are finance related professional certifications. So let us see how exactly the session goes. And just in case if you have any doubts going forward, you can always leave the question in the comment section and I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. And just in case if you like my videos, please subscribe to them. I'll keep bringing more insightful videos for or should I say at your disposal. All right, then now let us start the session. When it comes to ACCA stands for Association of Chartered Certificate Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, and it is a global body for accounting and financial professionals. Now, what does it aim? It aims to offer business relevant first choice qualification to people of application, ability, and ambition around the world. This is what ACCA has to say on their website. But nevertheless, if you ask me, it is just a professional body which has acceptability across the globe. That is how I would put it across. Now, when it comes to CA, it stands for Chartered Accountancy. It is again governed by ICAI. It's a chapter and it is located in 4 locations in India. I believe Nungambakam, Chennai. Then you have one at Delhi, Nehru Road, if I'm not wrong. Then you have it in Kolkata and Bangalore, I believe. So this is a basic glimpse about ACCA and CA. Now, as we all know, ACCA qualification is equivalent to CA in India. However, CA qualification is a bit too difficult to get through. Now, why? If you're not sure, or if this for the first time you are hearing this term, CA has 3 levels: CA Foundation, CA Inter, and then Finals. And they have different papers. There are more papers. You have to clear all of them all at once. There are too many averages and all that come into picture. But from an Indian context, CA is more relevant to handle taxes or anything which is related to financial accounting in India. Now, similarly, if you aspire to work abroad, then ACCA becomes a compulsory certification, and ACCA job opportunities are available across Australia, UK, Singapore, Dubai, etc. But ACCA is not that famous in the regions of America. The reason being they follow CPA, or maybe CPA certification is more relevant in USA when compared to ACCA or CA. Now, which one is better? Both the courses have their own characteristics that make them one of the most sought out professional courses in the arena of finance and accounting. However, they differ for opportunities in terms of career in India or abroad. Well, CA is well suited for India as it makes you well versed with India's accounting system. However, ACCA, like what I've told, is globally recognized, and hence it is for someone who is willing to settle abroad. Which course has more advantages? For for ACCA, you can pursue articleship while appearing for exams, which makes it easier for you to complete the course in 3 to 4 years. In case of CA, you can pursue articleship only after completion of CA Inter. That is the second stage, like what I was telling you earlier, the different stages: CA Foundation, CA Inter, and CA Final. So only after completion of CA Inter, you can pursue your articleship. Average starting salary for CA would be 8 lakhs. With regards to ACCA, it will be 5.6. Now, why is it? It is not necessary that you have to complete all the papers of ACCA. There are different levels again. You have knowledge level, skill level, and strategic level in ACCA. So if you are a registered student and pursuing ACCA, so even semi-qualified ACCA student can start up a salary as high as 5.6, particularly with organizations like DuPont or Synchrony or major finance-driven organizations. They do accept ACCA students. Even Deloitte gives too much of priority, particularly to students like ACCA. But when it comes to CA, yes, semi-qualified CA Students definitely can start working with banks and all. Even their salary usually is around 5.5 to 6 lakhs if you're semi-qualified chartered accountant. But nevertheless, you'll be busy doing your internship during the same period of time, because I mean to say articleship. So ACCA technically is a bit easier when compared to CA, and gives you bit more feasibility is what I would want to say. Now, in terms of costing, ACCA is more costly as it is UK based, so too many fee and all that come into picture. In terms of difficulty, CA is considered to be the toughest. Both CA versus ACCA are very in-depth courses and include almost everything which is required by finance professionals. The professionals can later relate themselves to what you call certain retail segments, individual accounting consulting. They can work in government bodies, non-profit making organizations, and business organizations. And the fields across which they cater are taxation, accounting, auditing, finance, financial analysis, and so forth. Thus, to make sure that the organization works smoothly, CA versus ACCA courses come into the picture. That is the beauty of both these programs. And that's it for now. Just in case if you need more insights about ACCA as a program or CA as a program, you can always, like I've mentioned earlier, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll try to decipher these programs in depth along with their stages. And just for a prelude, ACCA has different levels altogether. It starts with knowledge level, which is more like CA foundation. Then you have skill level, which is more like CA inter, and then the strategic level is more like CA final. However, the learning curve is very different with ACCA and all. You would have to you have that feasibility of doing articleship while you're, or should I say, the experiential learning is done while you are pursuing the program. But with CA, you have to ensure that you complete CA inter, and only then you can get into articleship. So there is always a difference, and again, the level of difficulty and all absolutely are different. That's it for now. For more information, leave a comment and I'll be in a position to give you more details. And if you want to have a vague idea about which institute you can take these programs or coaching for with regards to ACCA or CA, you can leave a comment and I'd be glad to share information which is related to that as well. Thank you. All the best.